Remember, for many families, their loved ones are missing right now, whether on ground or even with regard to the passenger list. It was supposed to be a routine flight. We've all taken flights for vacation, work and more. This time, however, a Boeing 7878 Dreamliner crashed in Gujarat, killing over 260 people, but a trail of devastation and families who've been destroyed forever. In a chilling sequence, look at this. The aircraft's wheels briefly retract before the pilot pushes it back down, likely sensing a sudden loss of thrust right after the takeoff. A formal investigation has been lodged in the crash. A high-level expert committee has been also formed to be able to find out, one, what happened and strengthen aviation safety. But apart from the crash that happened, which was, of course, horrific in itself, it crashed also or hit a building. And that was a hostel, a medical hostel, we are told. It looks like, in many ways, parts of a graveyard. Half-eaten meals on broken tables. Remember, this happened at about 1:40 p.m., which means lunchtime for the students. Walls caved in. An aircraft wheel, the landing gear, appears to have been lodged inside. Prime Minister Modi is likely to visit Ahmedabad to take stock of the situation. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visiting the crash site and is constantly monitoring and coordinating.
इस विमान में कुल मिलाकर 230 यात्री देश के और विदेश के और 12 क्रू मेंबर सवार थे। इसमें से एक यात्री का बचने का अच्छा समाचार मिला है। मैं उनको मिलकर आया हूं। मृत्यु का आंकड़ा तो डीएनए परीक्षण और यात्रियों की पहचान के बाद ही अथॉरिटी अधिकृत रूप से घोषित करेगी, मगर जो यात्री बचा है उसको मैं मिलकर आया हूँ।
तो अभी लैंड हुआ तो अभी पता चला, डिटेल तो पता नहीं चला। अभी दिल्ली से यहाँ पटना उतारे तो फ़ोन खोलते ही वो खबर मिला है और दुखद है, तो डिटेल जानना पड़ेगा।
So amid all of this right now, remember, look at this man on your screens. It was a plane crash so horrific that 241 people confirmed that 242 were believed to be on board. And then one man is seen walking. He was a passenger on 11A seat. He will be able to also reveal to the investigators of what happened. But what a miraculous escape. What else one calls it, especially at a juncture when he's even been able to walk toward the ambulance. Let's listen into him and to try and understand as this man, who's a British national now, was able to survive this horrific crash.
क्या भैया बता पैसेंजर अंदर से प्लेन